Today I'm going to show you how a calculator works. So when I click on the calculator from the menu, this window will appear. Now I'm going to do a simple calculation like 1 plus 2 equals 3. And let's say I want to save this number 3.0 to the memory restore. So I have to click on the MS button, and when I click on the MS button, the text box will become cleared. Now I want to see the answer, so I have to click on the MR button and see the answer again in the text box. If I click on the AC button, the text box will be cleared. So I click the AC button.